This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the drive type and why Windows rejects it, format incompatibility or permissions. Start disk management as an administrator and locate the target disk. Once visible, make sure its partition is healthy and has a drive letter assigned. If not, assign one immediately. You also check the volume format because backups often require NTFS for system features and permissions. While doing this, keep the backup destination connected so Windows can refresh device status and metadata in real time. Once the disk has a letter, you address access and file system issues. If Windows says invalid, take ownership and set full control permissions on the root folder. This clears permission denial errors. If the format is incompatible, back up any needed files, then reformat to NTFS so system backup tools accept it. For stubborn partition problems, open an elevated command prompt and use diskpart to clean and recreate the partition table. You do this only after confirming data is safe, because clean erases the drive. You finish by validating the repair. Initiate a small test backup and observe success or any error codes. If the failure continues, run chkdsk with repair flags to fix file system errors and bad sectors. This can resolve hidden corruption that makes a location invalid. Make sure services such as volume shadow copy are running and that antivirus isn't blocking write operations. If problems persist, switch ports or cables, or connect the drive internally. Hardware paths can be the only remaining culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.